Hello everyone, I wanted to talk about this 2-pack underbed storage cart with wheels from House Again. This was given to us for the purpose of this review, but our opinions are our own. I just put these together and I really do like them. My wife is using them here for her clothes and it fits a lot of clothes. These are big and again, they come in a 2-pack, but you can store a lot of stuff in them. You can put clothes in them, you can put shoes or whatever, any other items you have in the house that you want to store. But these are nice and big and strong, and they roll nice and easily. It has a clearance of 6.5 inches if you use the wheels, so just make sure the area that you want to store them, like under your bed, has that clearance of 6.5 inches, or you can take the wheels off and it's about 5 inches tall from there. But we really like these. I put them together. It didn't take too long. I kind of enjoy putting these things together. They come in a box like this and have your general instructions, and here's the main frame. These wheels are nice and rotate 360. Easy to put on. I put these on with my fingers and actually tighten them. You can use a drill and wrench as well if you want to. But these seem to tighten nice and secure even with my fingers, but you can tighten them stronger with a wrench if you want to. And then the middle part of the frame you just kind of click together and put it in place, and it is nice, strong, and secure. So again, these are big. They're 30.5 inches long by 17.7 inches wide and 6.5 inches high. So they can store a lot of things, everything from clothes to blankets, toys, shoes. They even mention high heels. So I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.